While a light thatch layer is no problem at all, too much can spell suffocation and discoloration for your lawn. So it's got to go, and an electric dethatching machine is a perfect solution. An electric dethatcher uses a small motor to rotate a cylinder of thin tines or solid blades to remove surface debris and overgrown thatch. There are many products available to choose electric dethatchers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric dethatchers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Greenworks 10-8 corded 14-inch Dethatcher. Don't let the size fool you. Despite the small frame and lightweight construction, this Greenworks Dethatcher is surprisingly powerful and durable. The compact size also makes it easy to control and maneuver your Dethatcher while you work. Even if you have decreased strength or are a senior, you should be able to use it comfortably. One of the best things about electric power tools is that they're easy to start, and this one is no exception. The motor fires on with the push of a button, and the forward rotation of the tines is actually enough to pull the Dethatcher along almost on its own. The fully padded handlebar is also a nice touch for comfort while you work. The tine height comes preset at 10mm or 3/8 inch. This is the highest of the 3 settings, which should be perfectly fine for most people. If you prefer, you can also lower the deck to one of 2 other settings. The adjustment mechanism is a rotating lug located on the wheel hub, so it's easy to make the switch between settings when needed. But one thing we don't like about this height adjustment is that Greenworks doesn't state what the lower height settings are, so it's hard to know exactly what you're getting. However, as we mentioned above, the 3/8 inch setting should be universally effective. Number 2. Joe 15-inch 13-amp electric Dethatcher. This model from Joe comes in as our top pick for the best electric lawn Dethatcher. With the option to use it as either a scarifier or Dethatcher, you can perform intensive deep cleaning jobs or routine maintenance to keep your yard looking top-notch with routine maintenance. For working with, this model offers a wide 15-inch deck for getting the job done in the minimum number of passes and less time. In addition to the wide working width, we also like that Joe pack 13 scarifier blades and 32 Dethatcher tines onto the cylinders. This construction picks up a huge amount of old thatch and surface debris, and the airboost technology improves motor efficiency with every revolution. Also, it's easy to switch between the scarifier and Dethatcher cylinders, with just a simple socket wrench to loosen tighten 2 bolts. Number 3. VonHaus Electric 2-in-1 Lawn Dethatcher. This is another 2-in-1 product with scarifier and aerator cylinders. Thanks to a 12.5 amp motor and 8 thick blades, this machine is incredibly efficient at pulling up thatch. And the working width is on the generous side at 14.5 inches. And switching between the scarifier and aerator cylinders is easy with a few turns of an Allen wrench. The collection bag holds 45 liters, which is just shy of 12 gallons. However, this machine pulls up so much thatch that the bag still fills up quickly. So plan to take frequent emptying stops or set aside time to rake up your thatch afterward. While this machine is awesome at dethatching, the aeration cylinder doesn't quite live up to its end of the deal. The specs are thin for making fine holes in your yard, which is nice. But they're a little on the short side, so they don't penetrate into the ground enough to be optimally effective. Number 4. Worx HA7980 12-amp 14-inch corded electric Dethatcher. If you're looking for a lightweight electric Dethatcher, this model from Worx delivers with a weight of just 18.6 pounds. This makes the Dethatcher easy to maneuver and store. This isn't really a con against the product, but it's one thing you should be aware of. The lowest deck height setting is quite low, and several users have reported ripped up grass if you spend too much time in one spot on the lowest setting. This aggressive setting could be perfect if your lawn is in bad shape and needs a deep cleaning. But keep in mind that you will need to use extra care to avoid damaging the grass and root system. The collection bag is just under 8.4 gallons in capacity, which is the smallest of the bag options we've seen on our list. So while it's nice to have, you'll probably need to empty it frequently or use the Dethatcher without it and rake afterwards. Worx fully enclosed the entire upper portion of the handle in soft foam, so you're covered no matter where you grip the handle. Number 5. Joe 12-amp 13-inch electric Dethatcher. The Joe HA7980 is the newer version of the Joe HA8180, which is a fan favorite with thousands of happy users. You have 5 height settings to choose from, ranging from -0.4 inches to +0.2 inches, and the adjustment lever is easy to access on the side of the deck. One thing that's a bit disappointing about this model is the small bag, with just 8 gallons of capacity. Especially with a 13-inch working width and 12-amp motor, you'll probably be emptying the bag every couple of minutes. In fact, it might be easier to just leave the bag off altogether. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.